My question is, if you filed for bankruptcy over 5 years ago, but you was dismissed from not being able to finish paying the bankruptcy out, how long does that stay on your credit? And can it be removed some kind of way before the term of it being taken off your credit?
Well, as I indicated a few minutes ago, there is a rolling 7-year time frame for your credit report. So anytime you file a bankruptcy, it takes about 7 years for it to come off. So it can be on there for a period of time from when you are dismissed to when it comes off your credit report. And as I indicated, that's about a 7-year time frame.
And what about filing bankruptcy a second time? How long do you have to wait, or is that the same time period?
Well, it depends. There's different time frames from maybe filing a Chapter 7 to another Chapter 7. That's 8 years.
Okay.
And then if you file there's different time frames from filing from a Chapter 13 to another Chapter 13, which I think is about a 2-year time frame. Right. And then filing from a Chapter 7 to a Chapter 13, I think is about a 4-year time frame. Now, you can file within the 2-year time frame, however, you will not receive a discharge. Right. However, even if you don't receive a discharge by filing back-to-back 13s, it can still help you depending on what the circumstances are. Maybe you got behind on your mortgage after you filed a 7 and want to try to catch that up. You've gotten rid of all your unsecured debt in the Chapter 7. And then now, what I see is a lot of people may get behind on their mortgage after the Chapter 7. And so filing Chapter 13, typically the mortgage companies will lay off. You catch up the payments in the Chapter 13. And even though you don't get a discharge, you can still come out in good shape.
Bottom line is, if you are having, I mean, you can just tell how complicated this is. Even though Billy's doing a great job in breaking it down and speaking in lay terms, it's complicated. And so if you're having bankruptcy issues, don't go out and try to do any of this on your own. You need help. Stay away from a lot of these commercials you see as far as credit counseling or things. Yes. You need to talk to a lawyer first and then see what your options are.